Hi. Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Your subscription helps me get more views. More views gives me a little bit of kickback and money. Not a lot. I only average maybe less than $1 a video. But it allows me to continue to do unboxings and spoil these lovely pups. So Pupjoy is a monthly subscription for your dogs. I actually have it designed for the heavy chewer. I keep forgetting to contact them to ask them to go back to the soft toys because I understand they're big dogs. These are custom made. They kind of pick out based on your dog's weight, and what you give them is like a description of your dog. They will like pick out what's best for them or what they believe is best for them. So the first thing it comes with is this Pupjoy, and it tells you about inside the box and earn rewards and all that other fun stuff. So that is that. But it also comes with, well, mine is torn because it came with sticky, but it comes with like pet rescue, and it comes with like the different animal rescue and treats and what they like, pet medication, heart guard, frontline, all that stuff. But the first thing that it comes with, oh god, so this thing has a lot in here. So the first thing it has is this big old key benefits, if I can get this out. The tags. One thing I'm not a fan of is the way they put these tags in here, because you gotta like kind of like dig to get them out, and you don't want to leave them in because these little things are dangerous to your dog's stomach. So this is called the Stuffer's Football. It apparently is designed for dogs that have separation anxiety. So you basically, it fulfills the dog's play, reduces boredom, extends playtime. So basically it allows you to, let me show you this. It allows you a couple different ways to put the treats in there. So you can put a treat in the end, and then you can put treats in here or peanut butter in there that they can like kind of dig at and chew at. And then it has a bigger spot for like a bigger bone that you can put in there for them to try to chew out. And it has all these like slots and all that. So you can do a lot with this, like peanut butter and other stuff to get them to play around with this. And it's really tough. You can definitely feel it's tough. Pepper, do you want that? You probably don't want it because there's no treats in it. Let's put some treats in it, shall we? Let's figure out small treats first. So salmon and blueberry healthy dog treats. It's our first dog treats. Made in America, I always make sure. Ooh, those smell not so good. Oh, those are cute looking. They're like little balls. What? I know, you want to give me your paw, huh? Other paw. No, other paw. Yes. Paw. Other paw. Other paw. Other paw. Yeah, there you go. Good girl. So, while they eat the next one, because these are kind of big, it's the all natural dog treats, turkey and duck burgers. And these are going to keep them busy for a while. And that's what I love, is like you're getting what you pay for. It's not like they cheap out. These are not skimped out. You get what you pay for. What? Go ahead. And then, go ahead. I know, you're going to sit there and chew that for a while. So while you chew on that, I have another Nylabone. So I'm not going to open this up because I'm gonna donate this one to a local shelter. But it is a power chewer Nylabone that gives them something for them to chew on and destroy. Always when you give your dog like toys like that, monitor them for the first couple times to make sure that they're not gonna like break it apart and actually be able to destroy it. Nothing is undestroyable. Trust me, I know from having a Rottweiler. She's destroyed just about everything. It's just sometimes it takes time before they destroy it. The next thing that comes with is the Butcher Shop all natural dog treats, and this is pork. So it's just like what I gave them, but pork. So I'm not going to open that up because they don't need that many treats, because as you see, Ash is kind of getting fat again. Her, my wife loves to spoil them, same with her mom. So then it comes with 2 of these because I have 2 dogs. It's perfect. And that is everything that this month came with. I specifically got this box because of the fact that they donate their proceeds to different rescues and stuff like that, pet rescues. So the money and proceeds are going to something that takes care of dogs that don't have homes or had a home and were left at shelters, and that's just sad and wrong. But thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and check out whatever other videos YouTube recommends. Now, thank you for watching, and sorry I haven't been posting that often. I've just been busy with life and kind of just getting stuff settled in. And thank you for watching. Bye.